The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is March 18, one day before we celebrate the solemnity of our patron, Saint Joseph. In our Gospel, Jesus warned them of not to follow what the scribes and Pharisees were doing because they were preaching, but they do not practice what they preach. He said, rather, the greatest among you should be the least. My dear friends, this is our everyday challenge because our standard of being great would always be on top of everyone, ahead of everyone. And sometimes we really good at pretending on others. And we do not actually mean what we say, especially in our age of social media. We post something, but we mean nothing about it. Or we tend to mislead others, especially the scammers of our modern times. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, let us always come to Jesus in order for us to be great. But remember, whenever we come to Jesus, make it sure that we will come forward with a humble heart. He can see whether we are pretending. We may scam other people. We may lie on other people. We may mislead other people by our sweet tongue, by our pretentious actions. But we can never lie before God because He can see us through and through. So in this season of Lent, let us bear everything to the Lord and truly have our amendments on our sins and let God show His mercy on us. And then we can start anew and journey with God in Jerusalem so that we may die in our sins with Him so that there will be hope of resurrection for all of us. Like what Saint Joseph did. He died on himself, he died on his own desires, and he had no pretensions. Rather, he allowed God to be at work in him. God bless you.